Secure your home with modern convenience, combining advanced technology, durable design, and effortless access control for everyday peace of mind. Best electronic door lock options deliver smart security, reliable performance, seamless installation, and stylish protection tailored for contemporary lifestyles homes. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. eufy C220 Electronic Door Lock. The eufy C220 electronic door lock is designed for homeowners who want advanced smart security without added complexity. Its standout feature is the self-learning AI fingerprint recognition, which improves accuracy with every use and unlocks the door in under 1.5 seconds, eliminating repeated scan attempts. Power efficiency is another strong point, with up to 8 months of battery life using 8 AA batteries, providing dependable performance for daily use. Built-in Wi-Fi removes the need for an additional bridge, allowing full remote control through the eufy security app, including access management, real-time notifications, and detailed event history. The lock supports 6 unlocking methods, including fingerprint, keypad, physical key, smartphone app, Apple Watch, and voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant, offering exceptional flexibility for families and guests. Integration within the eufy ecosystem further enhances convenience, especially for users with eufy doorbells who want unified routines and seamless keyless entry. Number 2. Veise VE06 Electronic Door Lock. The Veise VE06 electronic door lock combines smart functionality with a traditional handle set, making it a practical choice for homes, apartments, offices, and rental properties. It offers 5 access methods, including smartphone app, keypad code, key fobs, mechanical key, and interior thumb turn, ensuring flexibility for different user preferences. Through the mobile app and web management system, users can generate e-keys remotely, manage access permissions, and review entry records, which is particularly useful for landlords and short-term rentals. The lock supports over 250 user codes, including one-time, scheduled, recurring, and permanent codes, allowing precise control over who can enter and when. Security features such as auto lock, one-touch locking, privacy mode, passage mode, and low battery alerts enhance everyday safety. The anti-peeping, anti-hacking touchscreen keypad adds another layer of protection against unauthorized access. With the optional Veise G2 gateway, the VE06 expands into a smart home device, enabling remote access, real-time notifications, and voice control through Alexa and Google Home. Number 3. Veise RZ07 Electronic Door Lock. The Veise RZ07 Electronic Door Lock is a feature-rich solution designed for users who need advanced access management and strong security controls. This 7-in-1 smart lock supports fingerprint recognition, mobile app control, web portal access, fobs, keypad codes, e-key sharing, and mechanical key, covering virtually every access scenario. It can store up to 50 fingerprints and more than 250 user codes, making it ideal for busy households, offices, apartments, and hospitality environments. The free app and web portal allow lifetime access to remote management features, including user control, access logs, and real-time monitoring without subscription fees. Security is reinforced through auto lock, one-touch locking, privacy mode, passage mode, low battery alerts, and an anti-peeping, anti-hacking touchscreen keypad. When paired with the optional Veise G2 gateway, the RZ07 enables remote access from anywhere, push notifications, and voice assistant compatibility with Alexa and Google Home. The lock's robust construction and intelligent software design provide peace of mind for property owners who prioritize control and accountability. Number 4. Kwikset Powerbolt Electronic Door Lock. The Kwikset Powerbolt electronic door lock focuses on simplicity, reliability, and trusted brand performance.
It features convenient keyless entry through a backlit keypad, allowing users to lock and unlock the door quickly without traditional keys. Code management is straightforward, supporting up to 25 user codes, 5 one-time codes, and a dedicated programming code that makes adding or deleting users easy. The customizable auto lock function enhances security by automatically locking the door after a selected interval, ranging from 30 seconds to 10 minutes, reducing the risk of accidental unlocked doors. An integrated intrusion alert system activates after 3 consecutive incorrect code attempts, temporarily disabling the keypad and sounding an alarm to deter tampering. For nighttime use, bright LED keypad illumination ensures clear visibility in low light conditions. The Powerbolt is well suited for homeowners who want electronic convenience without complex smart app integration. Its clean design, dependable performance, and intuitive operation make it an excellent upgrade from traditional deadbolts, especially for families or users seeking a straightforward electronic lock with proven security features.
Number 5. TEEHO TE0004 Electronic Door Lock. The TEEHO TE0004 electronic door lock offers dependable keyless security with a strong emphasis on durability and ease of use. It provides 3 unlocking methods, including keypad codes, one-time temporary codes, and physical keys, supporting up to 20 user codes for flexible access management. Interior features such as the thumb turn and passage mode enhance convenience, allowing users to disable auto lock when frequent entry is needed while maintaining privacy and safety from inside. Security is reinforced with an anti-peeking keypad that accepts random digits before or after the correct code, along with automatic shutdown after repeated failed attempts to prevent brute force access. Constructed from premium zinc alloy with a solid lock cylinder, the TE004 is built for long-term reliability and is rated IP54 for weather resistance, making it suitable for various climates. The auto lock timer can be set from 10 to 99 seconds, and one-touch locking is enabled by holding any key for 2 seconds. Installation is quick and requires only a screwdriver, fitting standard door preparations for left and right-handed doors. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.